what's good with y'all? It's your boy ntanwo, and today I got a banger for y'all, man. For the new people who don't know who I am, and I went to college, tried to get a little soy sauce, but they really didn't even drop that much sauce on me, bro. And I realized that I went stupid every day, and now I'm here dropping the sauce for y'all, because I don't want y'all to end up how they did me, bro. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell y'all everything y'all need to know, in my opinion, to be able to, develop a sample, get it manufactured, and go crazy with it, man. First off, bro, I'm not finna sit here and tell you finna make $50, $100,000, $1 million in 72 hours. But I will sit here and tell you, I've made money this way. I made a decent amount of money, more money than I ever would have thought I would have been able to make, as a child. So with that being said, let's get right into it, man. First things first, bro. This might make a lot of y'all click off the video, bro. Y'all might not want to hear this one, but this is a truth, bro, an essential truth. You're gonna have to learn how to sew, bro. In my opinion, you need to learn how to sew because it's just better overall, bro. So like learning how to sew, it gives you a leg up over all the designers that, basically just focus on graphics, or even worse, bro, all the people that pay everybody to do everything, pay people for the graphics, pay people, you know what I mean? It gives you a leg up because you understand it. Like, I'm pretty sure, I ain't gonna even take no shots, bro, but I'm pretty sure Kanye don't really, I don't know if Kanye ever sat down in a sewing machine and really started sewing stuff. And I'm pretty sure if he did, it would make Yeezy only so much better. And bro, also, bro, just learning how to sew, it gives you a full understanding of garment construction. So already off rip, it's more useful for you to have a manufacturer. You know what I mean? You can take full advantage of all the things you know and make a really crazy piece. And bro, getting those sewing reps in, bro, they teach you, you get a better understanding of body proportions and aesthetics and, bro, utilitarian uses for clothes. And the list just goes on and on and on. Design elements, all kinds of stuff, bro. So learn how to sew before you get a manufacturer, before you worry about getting that sample. And I promise you, bro, you'll make way more money. You'll feel way more fulfilled, etc., etc. So hopefully once you got that, we want to go ahead and move on to number 2, and that's developing your sample. Bro, you have to make sure this sample is the sample, bro. I'm talking about, you got to make sure this the hottest shirt since a basic white tee. Nah, really stop, bro. Ain't nobody finna, what? It's the basic white tee, bro. I'd be amazed if, I got a mission, bro. Let me see if I can make a basic white tee better than basic white tee. But regardless, bro, you got to make sure this is the sample. Make sure you would this piece. Make sure you hit a lick for this piece. You for this piece. You know what I mean? Make sure you really fell in love with this thing, bro. Honestly, it's probably not finna be your first one. You probably have to try to make one and then, make another one, try a different reiteration, things like that, bro. Just keep on taking things out, putting new things in, see what you like type vibe. Just make sure it's the one and you falling in love with it. And bro, honestly, when it comes to other people's opinions, I say don't think too much about that, bro, because whenever I first started out and I was asking everyone, bro, they was like, oh, it's a banger. And then the drop came around and it was like, oh, now I got all this stock. I sold most of my stuff. I made all my money back plus profit, but I don't have space to just keep all these old clothes from 2020, bro. Okay, y'all tap in if y'all want some, because I still got some essential jackets, some nostalgia tees, nostalgia hoodies, all that. But I say just make sure it's people that you trust with good fashion sense, good taste, and good judgment as well. Make sure it's not a yes man. So after you've developed your sample, bro, it's the hottest piece since the Supreme BOGO. Once you've done that, bro, hopefully you sewed it. Ain't no smoke if you didn't sew it, but hopefully you sewn it. You want to go ahead and take that, and we're going to move on to number 3, and that's developing your sample into a tech pack. I can make a whole nother video about tech packs, bro. It goes so in depth, bro. The tech pack, you need to have every single thing in there, bro. Let me know in the comments if y'all want a full detailed video about tech packs. A tech pack is basically a thorough pack of information that'll make it easier to bridge the gap between your idea and bringing it to life through a manufacturer. Like I said, bro, I won't be able to tell you every single thing, but I'm talking about, bro, the measurements of every single little thing, bro, all the details, all the graphics, all the patterns, all down to the color of the stitching, the type of stitching, all that stuff, bro. I mean, unless you want a weak brand, you can make something basic and plain, do your thing, bro. But a detailed tech pack, bro, you need everything in that thing. Knowing all these details, bro, it makes the difference between buying one sample and getting it perfect the first time and then having to go through 10 samples. I know y'all be seeing those videos on TikTok. I know y'all be seeing those videos where bro be like, oh, this is what I sent my manufacturer. This is what he sent me back. It's some silly, bro. It's some cartoon gear. If you want to avoid that, bro, get a tech pack, a detailed tech pack. You won't even have to worry about that type of stuff. Stay to the end of the video and I'll actually give y'all my manufacturer. But let me drop some sauce on y'all right now, bro. I really don't even be buying samples like that. Honestly, I try to get my tech pack so perfect. I buy a bulk order and then I tell them to don't make the full bulk order. Just cut one and sew one. Let me see how that looks. And then once I see it on bro, I know all right, that's straight. That's exactly how I wanted it. As long as it's straight like that, bro, send it to me, cut it, run it. do the whole bulk. That's some sauce, bro. You really don't have to pay, because you know samples, bro, a sample could be like $150, but the shirt will only be like $19. And it's just because they had to spend more money to buy all this fabric and all these supplies just to only make one shirt. There's no guarantee that you're gonna come back and buy the whole bulk order. So you buy the whole bulk, you be like, just make one, your manufacturer probably won't care, bro. Like I said, bro, I'm gonna drop some at the end, so y'all stay to the end, bro. Don't click either, but that's so lame. That's so lame if you just click to the end just for manufacturer. You're probably a gooner, bro. You're probably a gooner. Get your life together. Either way, bro, let me get back to it. I guess it's also, I do that because I be confident in my manufacturer's ability to actually make the thing that they say they're gonna make. But that comes on, that's a little later, but we're gonna talk about that a little later. So, you gotta make sure you got a real manufacturer and bro ain't just, cooking up BS. Once you got your tech pack, bro, you ready. You ready to drop a banger, bro. If you made it this far, bro, kudos to you, because a lot of people, they stop before they get this far, or they try to skip over the first few steps and they make some BS and they go, why didn't it work for me? Like, bro, it takes time, bro. This is not something that's just gonna be like, oh, it's gonna happen overnight, bro. If it, like anything that does happen overnight, it wasn't worth it in the first place, bro. It's probably some BS, to be real with you. But either way, I'm getting on the tangent again. Once you've done all that stuff, we're gonna move on to step 4, which is finding a manufacturer. Like, once you got the idea and it's translated into the tech pack, bro, you ready for the bulk order pretty much. And really low key, bro, you can find manufacturers a lot. Bro got mush mouth. You can find manufacturers a lot easier than people think. I think a lot of people just be overthinking it, bro. Like, you can Google manufacturers, and I'm pretty sure if you're in a big state, you can, not a big state, but a popular state, you can probably find manufacturers in your state in the USA, or, it's a lot in Pakistan, China, Portugal. They're everywhere, bro. But hopefully, if you've been sewing, doing your thing and posting it on Instagram, they might even come to you. I know you can go on Alibaba. If you go on Alibaba and you go to a product, you search manufacturers, whatever, you can click on them and see how long they've been vended, if they're a trusted vendor, et cetera, bro. Like, it's not that hard to find them. Manufacturers hit me up on the daily, bro. They DM me, hit me up on WhatsApp, all that good stuff. But the next step, bro, you got to make sure it's really a manufacturer and they're doing their thing. The best way I've locked in to try to see if my manufacturer is a scammer or if it's just BS is like, you just get on a FaceTime call with them, bro. Because if somebody can't FaceTime you, bro, it's a catfish or a scammer, some BS like that, bro. That's just life. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm talking to Shawty and she over in California and I'm in Georgia, if we can't get on a FaceTime call, but she asking, she asking for money for, bro, that's a catfish, bro. Don't fall for that. So if you can get on a video call, most of them don't really have issues with that, or at least in my experience. That's the best way, bro. Or I guess not a video call, a regular call. I just really like to see the factory, bro. I ask to see the factory, make sure everything's ethical, and make sure it ain't no sweatshop, they got kids type shit. You know what I mean? There's a lot of ethical factories out there that companies don't use because, they're paying pennies, bro. They're really paying pennies. People like Nike, they're paying pennies, bro. We ain't gonna get into that. We ain't gonna get into all the corrupticities of the world, bro. And once you get the manufacturer, the next key, build good relationships with brokers. Just like anybody in life, you don't want to be friends with someone or like be in close proximity with someone and they a bad vibe, or you a bad vibe and the vibes are all energy all up, bro. No, none of that. Build good relationships with the manufacturer, bro. He'll bless you. You might get free gear, discounted gear. You might be able to pay him half, then sell some gear, then pay him the other half. All kinds of stuff, bro. I'm telling you, just like treat your manufacturer like he's a normal person and not like it's a store. And that will bless you so much more than any other sauce I'm telling you in this video, bro. And really in life, bro, you gotta just treat people good, bro, honestly. Cause low-key, bro, it don't matter how much money you making off of any of this stuff, bro. I feel like people that get all that money and they be like, oh, I'm better than everyone. That's how you turn into Diddy. That's how you turn into Trump, bro. So don't do none of that. Once you do that, man, that's really the sauce, man. You just get your sample and go crazy, bro. That's all the sauce. And actually, let me drop a little extra sauce on y'all, man. I got my notes here. I'm gonna tell y'all a few extra little tips, man. The only things I can think of is like, tell your manufacturer what you need. Hopefully they bless. Try to do half before and half after. You know what I mean? Pay half before the order is done, because that should be enough money to get all the gear, and then pay the other half after, and then that'd be his profit and whatnot. Make sure you send the money with the platform you trust, like, Western Union. It's plenty of ones, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and list them and give them free promo, but it's plenty of ones, bro. Use a real trusted source. No BS, no Bitcoin, none of that stuff. Don't get something manufactured that you can do cheaper yourself. So like one color screen print stuff, bro, you can do that. You can do that at home. So why would you pay? Unless it's like dirt cheap, bro. There's no need for you to pay to someone else to do that, unless it's dirt cheap or you absolutely need the time and you're just doing bigger and better things. See if your manufacturer has any unique printing methods or textile manipulation methods, because the manufacturer that I work with, that I'm about to show y'all right now, bro, my brain is push right now, bro. It's late in the day. I don't even know I'm trying to do this video right now. I should have did it early in the morning. I hit the gym, bro. My legs feel like noodles, bro. Regardless, bro, y'all don't hear for that. Y'all hear for the manufacturer. So like I said, man, see if they have any crazy textile manipulation methods or anything like that, bro, because like the people I work with, I'm pretty sure they go stupid on Kuji sweaters. And if I would have known that, bro, I would have been designing a Kuji sweater before we ain't gonna even talk about that. I know this is what y'all here for. Let me go ahead and show y'all this tee I designed up and drop y'all the manufacturer that came with it. So the way I found this manufacturer, bro, I found them on Instagram. I think I was just hopped in one of their lives. And they were just showing me hold on, bro, I gotta get some water. My mouth dry as a bone, bro. My mouth dry like I just smoked 15 ate 30 glizzies, bro. 30 glizzies, no condiment, no Bev, bro. I'm talking about this Bev. Let me get one more sip, hold on, my fault. All right, so like I said, I was on Instagram, just scrolling through, bro, and I found them. They were on live. And they were just showing off the pieces. And I'm like, damn, they got some crazy printing methods. Like I said, I saw the Coogee sweaters. I saw all kinds of crazy stuff, but the quality was top tier. And I was like, you know what? Let me quit messing with these Pakistan folks. If y'all know, man. They do good not cheap stuff, but they do good like work if it's something simple. But I tried to explain to my Pakistan manufacturer how to print CMKY, and he couldn't understand it for the life of him, bro. And that made me mad. And we ain't talking about that. I saw him, good quality. I was like, let me go ahead and bless myself up, get something nice, bro. So without further ado, bro, the manufacturer's name is Metbo Productions, and here is the tee itself. And not gonna lie to y'all, it's a banger. My reaction would have been crazier. This is the third time I'm recording this video, bro. Oh my. Ooh, this is crispy, bro. This is the crispy shit Bro, I've seen it, bro. I've wore it. Y'all seen it in videos, but crazy piece, bro. Insane piece. Y'all see the signature nostalgia cross stitching, yeah, all that good stuff. I bought some tags from them too. They blessed me with the tags. Whenever I make the shirts, I want this graphic to be a little smaller, but this is DTG, bro. And I usually don't even do DTG because my Pakistan manufacturer, he put me off of it, bro. He scared me, bro. I'm traumatized to even do it, but they blessed me, bro. I done got right. If y'all want one of them DTG shirts, bro, just DM me. DM me, I'll give it to you for, if you just give me the shipping, bro, you can have it. I don't care. I'm talking about my Pakistan manufacturer really traumatized me. I got a few left. Just DM me on Instagram, I might have your size. Like I said, bro, they blessed me, bro. DTG on the back, embroidery stitch right here. Custom, everything right here is custom. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't mean for this to happen, but I stole the measurements from this shirt. because this is my favorite shirt. Y'all probably seen me wear it in a million videos. But I used that to make this shirt. And bro, I'm pretty sure they only got like this measurement wrong. The measurement from like, cause I did it as two separate ones. And I think they just like did it as one. I don't know what they did, bro, but I think that's the only measurement they got wrong. And it was literally by like 0.75 of an inch. Still fits perfect, still a crazy tee, perfectly cropped. Let me quit talking about it and throw it on so y'all can see it. Bro just tweaked. Oh my God. All right, hold on, give me a second, y'all. So now, hold on, let me re-angle the camera. The banger of a tee, y'all see, banger of a tee, y'all see what's going on. Good proportions, good crop, right at my waist. Show off the muscles. Let me stop, bro. I just got back in the gym, somebody show off the muscles. But y'all see the good print, good quality. Yeah, man, I know that's what y'all came for, bro. Metbo Productions, y'all remember the past. That's who made y'all the person you are today. And bro, please, I beg of you, bro, please learn how to sew before you make the sample, bro. Please, I gave you my manufacturer. That's the one thing I asked. Y'all remember the past.